Welcome, my fellow pet lovers, to Highlifyx, your ultimate guide to understanding your furry friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a moment of excitement on our channel. Imagine walking down a quiet street when suddenly an aggressive dog charges at you. What would you do? It's a situation no one wants to find themselves in, but understanding dog aggression can help you prevent such a scenario. Dog aggression isn't exclusive to any particular breed. It's a complex issue with a variety of triggers, including fear, territoriality, or even a lack of socialization. The key to mitigating aggressive behavior is recognizing it before it escalates. And how do you do that? By understanding a dog's body language. Dogs communicate largely through their bodies, and certain signs can indicate a dog might become aggressive. For instance, a stiff body, pulled back ears, furrowed brows, or a low growl are all signs of potential aggression. While it's not foolproof, being aware of these signs can often give you a heads up, allowing you to diffuse a situation before it spirals out of control. Recognizing the signs of an aggressive dog is the first step to preventing an attack. Prevention is always better than cure, especially when it comes to dog attacks. To keep yourself safe, it's crucial to know how to avoid provoking a dog. Firstly, it's best not to approach an unfamiliar dog. Dogs are territorial creatures and may perceive your approach as a threat. Always respect their space, especially if you don't know the dog well. Secondly, if you find a dog approaching you, resist the instinct to run. Dogs are natural chasers, and running can trigger their prey drive, leading them to chase and potentially attack you. Lastly, if an unknown dog approaches you, stay still. By remaining motionless, you're less likely to be seen as a threat. Avoid direct eye contact, as dogs can interpret this as a challenge. These simple yet effective preventive measures can significantly reduce your risk of being attacked. By understanding a dog's behavior and responding appropriately, you can help ensure your safety and the safety of those around you. Remember, the key is to respect the dog's space and avoid any actions that could be perceived as threatening. These preventive measures can significantly reduce your risk of being attacked. However, if an aggressive dog attacks, knowing how to react can mean the difference between a close call and a hospital visit. Start by putting anything you have between yourself and the dog. It could be a jacket, a bag, or even a bicycle. This barrier can help protect you and might distract the dog, buying you some precious time. Avoid making direct eye contact with the dog. In the canine world, direct eye contact can be seen as a challenge or a threat. Instead, try to keep the dog in your peripheral vision without staring it down. Adopt a non-threatening posture. Stand sideways to the dog instead of facing it directly. This position is less threatening to the dog and makes you a narrower target. Keep your hands close to your body and avoid sudden movements. Also, try to stay as calm as possible. Dogs can sense fear and anxiety, which might provoke them further. Speak in a firm, confident voice to assert your dominance, but avoid shouting or screaming, as this might escalate the situation. Remember, the goal is to defend yourself without escalating the situation. If the unfortunate happens and you're bitten, there are important steps to take immediately after the attack. First and foremost, clean the wound. Dog bites can be deceivingly deep and could potentially carry bacteria that cause infections. Rinse the wound under running water, apply a clean bandage, and use an antiseptic if available. But don't stop there. Even if the injury seems minor, it's essential to seek medical attention immediately. A healthcare professional can assess the wound, provide an appropriate treatment plan, and administer a tetanus shot if required. Remember, it's better to be safe than sorry. Finally, report the incident to local authorities. This step might feel daunting, but it's crucial in helping to prevent future attacks. Provide as much information as you can about the dog and the circumstances of the attack. This not only helps in tracking the dog, but also in potentially alerting others in the community about the aggressive dog. Taking these steps ensures your safety and helps prevent future attacks. Knowing how to handle an aggressive dog can be life-saving. We've covered a lot of ground in this video, so let's quickly recap. The first step is to recognize signs of aggression in a dog. This could be anything from growling and snarling to a stiff tail and direct eye contact. Being aware of these signals can help prevent an aggressive encounter in the first place. Remember, a calm demeanor, avoiding direct eye contact, and giving the dog space can go a long way in diffusing a potentially dangerous situation. If an attack does occur, it's crucial to protect your face, neck, and chest. Use any object you can to keep the dog at a distance and try to stay on your feet. Even a jacket or a bag can be a lifesaver in this situation. After an attack, Seek immediate medical attention, even if the injuries seem minor. It's also important to report the incident to the local authorities to prevent future attacks. Stay safe and remember, not all dogs are aggressive. Understanding and respecting their behavior is key to peaceful coexistence.